Hi, I'm Brian Burke with SellYourMac. Today we're teaching you how to pack your Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we got the custom box from SellYourMac. We're going to go ahead and pack up our Apple Watch now. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Alright, you're going to find this little insert. Pop open the flaps and you'll be able to insert the watch right under this plastic cling wrap here. So kind of just fold it up to make sure it's nice and snug to put in. And slide it under the wrap. You fold the edges down. And you can pop your power cord in the bottom of the box there. Take the wrap and then just push it right in. Super easy. Fold the edges. And then all you have to do is secure the edges with a little bit of tape. Here is the free included return label. You'll find that in the box. It's self-adhesive. All you need to do is peel it off, pop it right on the box. Voila.